In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to know if your Alipay account is being verified. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Alipay tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. So let's see how to know if your Alipay account is verified. So let's dive in. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply click on your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Alipay app. Alright, so having opened up your Alipay app, for you to know if your Alipay account is fully verified, one thing you need to do is to simply click on account right here. Then take you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon from the top here. It takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on account and security. So it takes you to this particular page. So right here under the identity information, so you are going to see verified right here. So verified. So this simply means that the account has been fully verified with an international passport. And as a result of that, you can use the account to receive funds from one Alipay to another Alipay account. You can also use the account to pay any Chinese supplier on 1688, Starwa, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or any Chinese platform that accepts Alipay as a means of payment. These are the basic things you can do with your Alipay after a successfully verified. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Alipay topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.